In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook profile picture without notifying everyone, and we're going to start right away. Now, the first step you need to do, open your Facebook app on your phone and go to your account profile page, and you can do that by tapping on your profile icon right here. Then once you're on your profile page, on your current profile picture, you will see this camera icon. You need just to tap on it and these options will pop up on your screen. So just go ahead and tap on choose profile picture and it will be directed to your phone's gallery. So just go ahead and select your preferred picture. For me, I'll just pick this one right here, and once that picture is selected, its preview will be shown on your screen, just like mine here. Now here you can choose to crop it, make it temporary, or add a frame if you wish. Now for you to post it without notifying everyone, just go to share your update to newsfeed and uncheck this box right here, and when you update your profile picture, as you can see, no one will be notified, right? So guys, that's how you can change your Facebook profile picture without notifying everyone. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.